pat the fish. He wants to swim. Just put down, baby.
Wow, you catch a fish.
The worm.
Opo. Wag mo na kasing anuhin yung worm. Hindi natin kailangan yung worm. Buti may fish ikaw na bingwit ikaw, oh.
More fish.
Oh, more fish pa daw, Lula. Ano nga yan, nak? Where are the fish? Where's it? Show it to my daddy. Oh. Where's it?
Here.
Oh, I see it. Hi, fish. Oh, go. Hold the fish. Two hands. Two hands, two hands.
You see?
Okay. Catch again the fish. Oh. Go, catch it. Catch it. Catch. Catch. Catch the fish. Catch. Later na eh.
Oh my gosh. I see.
Just put down. Let's go na.
Happy fish.
Put it down, baby. Kawawa naman ang fish, mamamatay yan. Let's go na. Just put down.
It's a pot fish.
You want to pat the fish? He wants to swim. Just put down, baby.
It's my money. That's my catch. Catch.
You can do it, ano.